Hi, I'm Artemis and welcome back to my channel. This is my mama, Sally.
Hi everybody.
And she has a Facebook account called Says Craftbox. And before we get started, like and subscribe. Happy St. Patty's Day. Today we're going to be making a rainbow windsock.
And the supplies you'll need is a can. I'm using a tomato can.
Some paint, the colors of the rainbow.
And then you need some material. We're using a jelly roll, which is just fabric that's already cut. And we're going to cut it in half again. And while I'm doing that, Artemis can start painting. Okay?
Red.
You want red first? Let's check it out.
I have to have red first.
Okay, I'm going to be pouring the paint for her. And she's going to start with red.
And so, I'm going to start painting and you didn't cut. You start at the top, that is actually the bottom because you have to glue these
to the inside. Here. Yep, that's right. So she's painting and I'm cutting.
Do you paint up here?
You can.
Onion.
We're going to have to poke a hole in it with a nail. Hang it. Since this material it's only colored on one side, I'm just going to take and glue the tops together. So when they blow, you'll still see both colors on both sides. And I'm going to do that while she's painting. I'm just going to glue the tops together and lay them aside. This is a great idea for any holiday. You can make one for the 4th of July, which we've done before.
It's still hanging on my foot pot.
Yeah. They're really pretty, aren't they?
Yeah.
I'm actually using fabric glue, by the way. Makes the fabric stick together better.
I think I'm done with my red paint.
Okay. Then what color?
Orange.
Orange?
But first I have to clear my paintbrush off.
Well, I'll do that because there's another paintbrush for you. By the way, what are we using?
Craft Mart.
We're using pumpkin orange, apple barrel.
Next, you just keep on doing. I'm using orange now. I don't think I'm going to have room for all of them.
Maybe you make them shorter, paint smaller, or?
No, I'm okay with just having 4.
Okay. We'll have all the rest of the colors of the rainbow hanging down.
I think the only 2 left that I can use are the yellow and the green.
Yellow would be really pretty on there.
Oops.
As we said before, we're messy painters, aren't we? Okay, she's going to paint the green on. And what I'll do, not now, but when she's done and we're done putting the sock on, then I'll take a nail and poke a hole in the top, and I'll put a little hanger on it, wire hanger on it, so we can hang it in the tree or on our porch. We let the paint dry, and now we're going to attach the fabric. I think we're going to set it like that.
First, we add the red. We don't add it, we put it on.
Okay, you hold it in place. Let's set it like that. She's got her little finger protectors on. Now you just go around and you glue these to the inside of the can. And hold it for a second. And yellow.
Put the yellow in.
And then green.
Next is blue.
You know what? I hope we have enough to go around it.
Not all the way around. I'll be almost done.
Yep.
But the first,
You might have to put some more on there. You could probably space them out more. We didn't space them out very good. But it's still very pretty. See? See how we glued it on the inside there? See? And there's how pretty it is. You could also, if your room's done in rainbow, you could put this in your room. That would look pretty.
I hope you guys all liked the video and the craft. I hope to see you guys all next time. Bye!
Bye.